Amazing benefits of onions you probably didn't know. Onion has layers and layers of health benefits. It is definitely one of the most used ingredients in the kitchen, and it is used as the base for different recipes, enriching food's flavor. Besides being delicious and flavorful, onion has a high nutritional value and can boost your overall health. Keep reading and find out more about the incredible benefits that onion possesses. 10 health benefits of onions. 1. Bone health. Onions have a high content of calcium and they have the ability to maintain strong bones. Moreover, they are a great source of sulfur and can keep connective tissues healthy and strong. These two elements can prevent bone loss, particularly in aging people. Onions are also beneficial for women who are going through menopausal stage, since this vegetable can relieve the symptoms of menopause. 2. Diabetes prevention. One serving of onions has 27% of your biotin DRI that is extremely beneficial for your overall health. It has the ability to combat symptoms related to type 2 diabetes. A recent study showed that a combination of chromium and biotin can regulate blood sugar and decrease insulin resistance. 3. Healthy digestion. Onions are rich in fiber that is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. With a proper amount of fiber in the system, the harmful chemicals can be released through defecation of waste products in order to prevent health problems. The proper function of the digestive system can facilitate proper digestion and efficiently absorb the nutrients from your food. 4. Lowers blood pressure. The sulfur found in onions can act as a natural blood thinner and prevent blood platelets from collecting. This is beneficial for lowering blood pressure, thus preventing the risk of heart attack or stroke. Moreover, quercetin can prevent the accumulation of plaque in arteries. 5. Prevention of cancer. Onions are packed with flavonoids, especially quercetin, known for its potent cancer-fighting properties. It can reduce DNA damage and prevent the formation of tumors as well. A number of studies showed that quercetin can reduce the risk of developing colorectal and ovarian cancer. 6. Improved immunity. Onions are a great source of vitamin C and phytochemicals which can increase the effectiveness of vitamin C in your body. In other words, you will have a more effective and healthier immune system. 7. Healthy heart. The regular consumption of onions can stimulate the production of good cholesterol in the body, thus helping the proper regulation of cholesterol levels. This will balance your blood pressure and prevent heart problems. 8. Pain relief. Fresh onion juice can relieve pain and burning sensation from insect bites. It is also very effective in the case of bee stings due to its potent anti-inflammatory properties. 9. Skin health. Biotin is very beneficial for maintaining a healthy skin. It can treat brittle nails, maintain skin health and prevent hair loss. 10. Stress relief. Quercetin also prevents stress. When a person is experiencing stress, the body produces cortisol. Too much cortisol can lead to protein breakdown and damage your muscle tissue. Quercetin has the ability to suppress enzyme needed for cortisol release.